Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking eligibility and registering immediately. Don't wait. Create a single folder for scan transcripts, degree certificates, and a government photo ID, naming files clearly. Once done, pay the application fee and note deadlines in a calendar with reminders. Make sure to download the prospectus and syllabus PDF. Read the exam pattern and marking scheme now so you can prioritize subjects. This fast start prevents last-minute document hunts and gives you the roadmap for focused study. You now execute a disciplined study plan built from the syllabus map. Allocate focused blocks, doctrine comprehension, case law summaries, and answer writing drills. Mix active recall with timed mock exams. Once done with a module, simulate exam conditions and review underperforming sections immediately, making concise correction notes. Make sure to refine statutory interpretation and legal reasoning, not just memorization. This improves score consistency. Regularly update a weakness log and schedule targeted practice. You complete preparation with full-length timed mocks and a checklist for exam day logistics. Pack printed admit card, multiple ID, and backup stationery. Confirm travel and arrival time at the center. Once done with revision, taper study intensity and prioritize sleep and nutrition to ensure peak performance. If technical, health, or document problems occur, immediately contact the admissions helpline and the exam center. Keep email and phone proof, and carry copies. This single troubleshooting move prevents disqualification or last-minute panic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.